about performance measurement. Will RevPAR be the dominant measure of performance in the future? Well, if you look back in the study from 2010, it was only maybe less than 20% of people thought it would be RevPAR. People thought it would be GOP per available room or GOP per available square foot. And then again, when I did the study last year, it was even less than 10% of people thought it was going to be RevPAR. They thought it was going to be the GOP per available square foot or per available room. Now, if you look though, what are we actually using? Well, we predicted in 2010 that RevPAR would go away. It hasn't gone away, and I don't see it really going away in the near future. And there's a variety of reasons for that. One is that so many hotels use the STAR report as one of their measures of performance, and RevPAR has become a big deal. We're looking at our RGI, we're looking at all these different sorts of things, and to get a switch to something that's more profit-based, whether it be contribution per available square foot or GOP per available square foot, would really we'd have to make sure that hotels all over the world have the same performance measurement, the way that they measure profit. And that's going to be very difficult to do, considering how difficult it's been for some hotel chains to even agree on what different revenue streams are. Now, that being said, what was interesting in this last year's study is how people put more emphasis talking about things like GOP or total revenue, so looking at the revenue across different revenue streams than they did back in 2010, which was strictly pretty much rooms revenue. The other thing interesting was that people were more looking at per available square foot or per available square meter, as opposed to 2010 had a much higher emphasis on available room. And so while I think something like GOP per available room may happen at a chain, so within the properties that chain might open, since profit is going to be measured the same across the different properties, I think it'll be a long time before we see that across the hotel industry.